Hi guys, today I'm going to run through the Wealthy Affiliate Program, something that I personally use and made $30,000 with last year. So I'm going to tell you all about it. So let me jump on my laptop and I'll get right to it. Thanks. Okay, here I am on my laptop and I'm on the Wealthy Affiliate platform right now. This is me, Little Mama. Here is my announcement on Wealthy Affiliate, showing them how much I made last year. I actually made $40,000 last year with my website, and this is all from Wealthy Affiliates training. So not only I trained on here, but I also promote them. So I kind of chose this route to go. Because the first time I came on the platform, I really loved it. I really loved the training. The lessons are totally organized in the perfect way, step by step, and then tasks at the end of each lesson for you to take action on. So it's really awesome, this training program. I highly recommend it. So if you want to promote Wealthy Affiliate, it is best to take this course right here under Training on your left menu. Affiliate Bootcamp, first of all. So this is a whole course that Wealthy Affiliate has created for you if you want to promote Wealthy Affiliate. It has 7 levels or 7 courses. This other course is 5 courses. This is for any other niche. So if you want to do something else instead of promoting Wealthy Affiliate, you could do this course, Online Entrepreneur Certification. But we're talking about the Wealthy Affiliate program. So I want to show you this Affiliate Bootcamp course that I've taken. And you notice I didn't finish the last 2 levels, and that's because that's concentrated on paid traffic. And so I've made all that money without even finishing this course. Okay, so I'm only concentrating on like the main 5 levels where it is mostly on free traffic that you'll be using. Okay. Let's see, I want to show you guys, let's see, so this is today, this is current, okay, this is live. So right now, this month so far, I made $361, but let's see, let's look at my all-time. My all-time is $29,000 for last year, $295. But really, I have this also pending. So if you include that, that's totally $30K in 2018 just from one affiliate program. And the amounts that you get to earn are right here in detail. So let me just go through the program real quick here first. So when you go to program details, you get your main link right here. This is your main link. And you'll have the ability to use other links under links and tracking right here. So how this works is that for the affiliate program, if you could achieve 300 premium referrals in any calendar year, you actually get to earn this all paid private conference. So when you hit 300, you will become a super affiliate, which I did become a super affiliate last year. So I'm going to be attending the super affiliate conference later on this month. I'm super excited. I get to meet Kyle and Carson, the owners. And I get to meet the other super affiliates that can make it to the conference. So it's in Vegas as well. I'm so excited. It's about 3 or 4 days long. Okay, so if you're a starter member, so there's 2 membership options. The starter member is free. So you can make money with a starter member, but it's going to be half of what you see right here, okay? Let's see. So for the $49, so if somebody signs up for the $49 per month, you're going to earn $23.50. So it's 40-something% commissions that you get to make. And then the yearly memberships are $359, and you'll earn $175 on these yearly memberships, and it's pretty awesome. There is actually, this is not updated here, but there is also a 6-month membership that is really new, and there has not been any official announcement yet, but I've earned money on this membership plan, so I know about it. So there's also a 6-month payment plan here that I earned, what is it, 108 on. So for the full year, you earn 175, but guess what? That 175 will be pending for 30 days. As you saw earlier in my stats, I had $700 pending because those are my December yearly membership sales. But this one is pretty awesome because the 6-month one, it's approved instantly, meaning Wealthy Affiliate pays their affiliates on the 1st of every month. So let's say this January, you're going to be paid on February 1st. So if you get any of these sales during the month, you'll get paid right away instead of waiting for 30 days to lapse and then get paid. So if this was a yearly sale made in January, then this will be paid out on March 1st. But for 6-month memberships, if you sell those, you get 108 approved instantly within the month. That means you're going to be paid on February 1st. So that's a great option for us affiliates, because you can make 3-digit commissions just like that. And believe me, it was pretty fun getting those in December. So that's that's the 3 amounts that you can earn. Okay, so it's 3 amounts, and the conversion rates are averaging about 12%, which is pretty good. So as a starter member, you're gonna earn half of everything that premium earns. So instead of oh, also there's a commission. So there are let's see, whoever upgrades from a starter to a premium, their first month is actually $19. So the first month you only earn $8 for that. Okay, so that's what this is down here. Because we always had, you get to sign up for $19, and so the second month would be $23.50 for you. So for starter members, everything will be half, as you can see here. $4 for the special rate, $11.75 for monthly rate, $87.50 for yearly, and I'm assuming for the 6-month starters will get $54. But as an affiliate, I mean, why wouldn't you be upgrading to also premium to get their maximum commissions, right? Sorry, that's my dog. That's my dog squeaking in the back. Anyway, so that's basically it, and that's how much you get to earn, and then you get to win a Vegas trip if you make it. All 300 sales within the calendar year. And the best way to promote it is using this affiliate bootcamp training. Go through all the different steps, and you're going to promote it the way it's taught in there. But also, I also have something for you if you want to do this. Because I'm a super affiliate and everybody kind of wants to know how I did it and how they can also become a super affiliate, I have created here a training series inside Wealthy Affiliate, and it's for premiums who sign up with me. The first one is for all members, because that one is for free. So any starter members and premium members could look at this video. This intro video is actually pretty has full of tips, especially for new members. It kind of gives you a sense of what you're getting into, how this business works, and so it's a lot of work. Okay, promoting Wealthy Affiliate or any type of main promotion that you're doing for affiliate marketing it really takes consistency, a lot of hard work to build a business like I have. Okay, if you this is totally a full-time business. I started out 2018 not earning that much yet because I was ramping up from 2017. But look at how fast it grows during 2018. So for the last half of 2018, I was averaging in the 4,500 range, and in November, because of Black Friday, I earned a lot more, 7,900, almost 8,000. Okay, so you're building a real business here with this affiliate program itself. And of course, you could add other things while you're promoting Wealthy Affiliate. You don't have to just promote Wealthy Affiliate. Like I said, I earned 40,000, not just 30. So 30 was from Wealthy Affiliate, then another 10,000. Some are from ads I have on my site. Some are guest posts I have on my site that I charge people for. So this is a great affiliate program to go into and make a business with. And I hope you join me and get my free training right here, Little Mama's Road to Vegas. So if you want to make money like I have with Wealthy Affiliate, go ahead and sign up with my link below this video, which is workanywherenow.com/Team Little Mama. Because if you use my link to sign up, I could mentor you on your journey, and I will guide you through the training and make sure you are on the right path of success, so you can reach that 300 super affiliate goal. And so I'll see you on the inside. So please subscribe to my channel here and smash that notification button, and also like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.